and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdo, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. On 19th January 2021, the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Arteme appointed Father Barnaba Lianpong SDB as the 5th Provincial of the province St. John Bosco, Vietnam, Mongolia for the 6 years from 2021 to 2027. Father Barnaba Lianpong SDB was born on 11th June 1970 in Quang Tri, Central Vietnam. As a high school teacher of Vietnamese literature, he joined the Salesian Aspirantry program in the post-novitiate community in Dalat 1994. He made his first profession on 15th August 1997, perpetual profession on 15th August 2003, and was ordained to the priesthood in 20th May 2006. After his post-novitiate in Vietnam, he did his practical training in Florence Province, Italy, continued with his specific formation in Rome UPS, and completed with a licentiate in moral theology from 2000 to 2010. In 2011, he offered his ministry of teaching in the Theologate in Turin and served as the vice-rector of the Community for Salesian Lay Brothers in Voldoco, Turin. He completed his doctoral program in 2013. Back to Vietnam in 2014, he lived and worked in the Rinaldi Specific Formation Community as Vice-Rector and then as Rector since 2015. He was among the 2 VIE delegates for GC28. We pray for the new superior of the Vietnam VIE to animate all the conferences and lay mission partners as they continue to advance with the congregation in responding to the needs of the young today. Father Joseph Nguyen Thing Phuoc, Regional Councillor for East Asia-Oceania region, stated. Children and young people from the parish of Saint Jose de Misiones are preparing the feast day of Don Bosco together with the sisters and catechists. They have been painting and drawing Don Bosco with great enthusiasm, shared games and a nourishing snack. The aspirants of the Don Bosco Formation House in Lawan, together with their formators, went on a pilgrimage on 24th January to the chapel dedicated to St. Francis de Sales at the Sacred Heart Novitiate. Father Philip Lazatin SDB, Novice Master, gave a brief introduction on the life of St. Francis de Sales through a video presentation, which was followed by the recitation of prayer in honor of the patron saint of the Salesian congregation. On January 23rd, at the parish of Sacred Heart of Jesus, Monsignor Simon Giuste, Bishop of Livorno, presided over the presbyterial ordination of the Salesian Alejandro Dui. Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, January 2021, at the Salesian House Don Bosco, Mekanissa, the Strena 2021 of the Rector Major was presented to the Salesian family. Moved by hope, see, I am making all things new. Revelation 21:5. The presentation was curated by Father Chris Saldanha and was followed by discussions and group sharing. More than 40 members of the Salesian family participated in the event, including past pupils, Salesian cooperators, teachers, parents, and representatives of the parish church. On 5th January, the Salesian Institute of Sonada in the state of West Bengal hosted the launch event of the book, The Triumph of the Dragon, a socio-political history of China in the modern period by Professor Father Joseph Babu SDB. The book, consisting of 21 chapters and 278 pages, was published by Future Publishers, Kolkata. On January 24th, the 3rd edition of the International Day of Education was celebrated. The anniversary was established by the United Nations with the resolution passed on 3rd December 2018 and aims to reaffirm the crucial role of education in building sustainable and resilient societies. But due to the pandemic, the global scenario is very worrying. It is estimated that schools closure in 180 countries have left 1.6 billion students at home. A generation of young people sees the opportunities for formation in various skills and interpersonal relationship skills between peers and adults reduced to a faint glimmer. On 24th January, the feast day of St. Francis de Sales, Father Bosco Zia Aung SDB was installed as Superior of the Salesian Vice Province of Myanmar MYM for the year 2021 to 2027 term. Salesians on a mission in Benin met, as every year, to reflect together on life and pastoral in Benin. For this 2021 edition, the meeting took place at the Salesian House in Cotonou, Zogbo, from 13th to 15th January. Salesians from Kandi, Parakou, Porto Novo, Cotonou, Edjedo, and Zogbo participated. The meeting was a moment of great joy and sharing. Valparaiso, Chile, 1932. This is what one of the study rooms of the Salesian School in Valparaiso looked like in 1932. The arrival of the first Salesians in Valparaiso was on July 17, 1894. The school was started as a school of arts and crafts. Then, in 1896, other basic courses were added, and in 1901, the economics courses began, which continued until 1931, until the last accountants graduated. Finally, in 1938, scientific and humanistic teaching courses began. The Congregation's Department for Social Communication has an intense and meaningful program for 2021. Today, it is presented directly by the General Counselor for Social Communication, Father Gildacio Mendes dos Santos. The feast day of Don Bosco on 31st January has always been one of the main anniversaries for the Salesian family. And this year, it will be celebrated with a series of important events, religious and communication-wise. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.